What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Right here we have a 2018 Honda Civic. 2018. I'll show you guys how to take off this door trim panel, how to take the glass from out of there, and also how to get the handle out of there. The first thing we're going to do, guys, get your flathead screwdriver or your clip puller, your clip remover. You're going to use it and you're going to jam it. You're going to jam it over here in the edge. See that? It comes right out. You're going to take this piece out. Unplug it. Take that piece out. Why? There's a screw right there, guys. There's a fillet. Screw right there. That's one. See that? Comes right out. One. Now, once you guys take that screw from there, you're going to jam your flathead right between the groove over here, just like that, and pull the trim panel away from the door. Just like that. Now, take it out and pinch it off with your hand. Just like that. See that? Comes up. Now you're going to grab it and you're going to go up with it. Actually, go ahead and take off that piece. Comes right out. Grab it and go up with it. Comes right off, guys. Right? Alright. That's how you take out the trim panel. Now we're gonna take out. Let's take out the handle first. Now to get the handle out, get this piece out of it. Get that piece out. There's a 10 right there, guys. That's a 10 screw, a 10 millimeter. Look at that, guys, okay? 10 millimeter. Take it out. Put your flathead right in the groove. See that? Screw it out. Comes right out. Comes right out. Be careful, don't lose that screw. Once that piece comes out, you're going to grab this piece and pull it backwards away from the door. Just like that. Comes right out. Alright, guys? Comes right out. You want to put this piece back. Put it back like that and slide it in. Slide it in. Door open. That's how you take out the handle. Now we're gonna take out the glass. Alright, guys, the first thing we're going to do, we're going to get this plastic piece off of there. So we're going to use like a sharp knife or a blade. I'm going to cut around the edges and we'll get that piece out the way. And this harness right here, go ahead and plug this harness out. Just like that. Plug the harness out. Use a blade or a sharp knife. Like that. Then this piece that we took out earlier, we're gonna plug it back in and we're gonna drop the glass down. Remember, you gotta turn on the ignition first. Drop it down. I'm gonna show you guys something. Go ahead, guys. Go ahead and take this harness loose. Go ahead and get this piece out your way. All right. Get the piece out your way. Now I'm gonna show you guys something. Once you guys plug this piece back in, you guys see this screw? It's two of them. There's a next one right there as well. You're gonna drop down the window to this hole right here. Y'all see the hole right here? You see that? Goes up, goes down. You're gonna drop it down to that hole. Now you can see the screw, right? You're gonna take that screw out of there. You're gonna take that screw from there. You're gonna take that screw from there. All right. Once you guys take them two screws from there, you're gonna take that screw from there. That one. You're gonna take that screw from there as well, and you're gonna take off this piece. Take off this piece off here, just like that, and then once you guys get this screw from there, which is this one, that one, you're gonna take out this the rubber gasket, and you're gonna take the run channel from out of there. Then you're gonna take them two screws from there and pull the glass out. All right, then you guys stay tuned and watch the work. Okay, guys, the first thing we're gonna do is take out this rubber piece. So use a flathead, put it in the groove. Take this piece out. That's this piece. Take it out, just like that. All right. You don't have to take it out all the way, just halfway. That right is good. Next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna take out that screw from there. And got that screw from there, which is the Phillip. Then we're going to take the 10 from right there, and we're going to take the 10 from over there as well. All right. Use the flathead. See, it comes right out, guys. Remember, it's two screws. One screw go right there, next goes in the bottom, which is the screw that I take from there. Take that piece out of there, and then now you're gonna take them two from there and take the glass out. Okay, now we got the screws out. We'll take the glass out of there. And we're gonna hold the glass and lift the glass out of there. We're gonna tilt it. Once you have to go up and tilt the glass. It comes right out. Remember, when you got to put the glass back, you want to tilt the same thing. You want to put it in, tilt it, and slide it down. Anyways, that's for your hold that. That's for the back door. Okay. Now I'm gonna show you guys how to take the front door apart. Okay. Which is the mirror and stuff like that. All right, but it's the same process, guys. Same process.